All right. What you doing? What you got there? You got some buffalo poop? No? Where's the buffalo poop at? That's buffalo poop? What's this here? What's that? That's a stick? Huh? It's stuck in the snow? Huh? Yeah. Where's the buffalo poop at? Does Brandy like buffalo poop? Should we give let's give Brandy some buffalo poop. Here, Brandy. Here, Brandy girl. Here's some buffalo poop. Here's some buffalo poop. There, Brandy's got the buffalo poop. Yep. Where's Ace? There's Ace. There's Ace. Okay. Hi. Wave hi. Hi to Venezuela. Say hola.
Hola.